already been hot.
Oh, it's already hot.
This is the start.
How is it start?
Yeah, start.
After what do you do to go? I should go to Almaty to take my flight.
And she has it. No, did you see the cat?
Over there. Over there.
Yeah.
Like coffee.
As is?
Yeah.
As a stock?
He's
Okay.
I lived in -50.
Minus 15.
50.
Two general ingredients.
Okay. 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 Okay.
This is the Ukrainian national kitchen.
Kitchen and the food name?
Borsh.
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 Okay, guys, we are now gonna eat borsh, and it's cooking. Okay, I'm taking it. Okay, we are making a bowl. Nikita is eating. You can speak Russian, no problem.
Это главный ингредиент. This is a general ingredient. This is a свекла. This is a
You know beetroot?
Beetroot.